So the big picture for this lesson is transforming secant and cosecant functions. So the transformations work exactly the same as with sine and cosine functions. So basically what you do is you graph the related sine or cosine function and then turn the zeros into asymptotes and draw your curves. Here's an example. F of x equals -2 secant of x. So you can see here it started off by graphing the cosine function, and then it's a vertical reflection with a negative sign out in front, so then it's reflected to go down, and then it's stretched by a factor of 2. The amplitude of the cosine function is 2 instead of 1. So you graph that first, and then turn the zeros into asymptotes and draw your branches. So just to see how the transformations work, here's a GeoGebra. So this is just the cosecant function, the parent function, and then if I increase the a value, that increases the distance away from the x-axis, or the midline in this case, because it's at the midline. B value, so that's a horizontal stretch or shrink. H is a shift left to right, and K is a shift up and down. And the same thing with the secant function. Changing the a value is a vertical stretch or shrink. The b value is horizontal stretch or shrink. H is translating left to right. K is translating up and down. So that's what you're going to be doing. You're just working on transformations and identifying domain and range. And that's the big picture.